What's your prediction for the fight then?
Prediction?
Yes, prediction.
Pain.
Come on, son. Ready? You can't move, huh?
Now knock his ass out.
Ready? Showtime. Showtime, man. Come on, do it, man.
Hey, it's a good thing you came in here. I'm about to show y'all how to do this lock. So pay attention, stick with me, and watch how this go down. Just that quick. So let me break that down for you. So with this arm bar, essentially what you want to do, pretend that this is a bar and you're the security personnel and they told you to go get an individual. So this is a preemptive lock to be able to just walk up and go get him after all the talking, all that's over, he needs to go. So what I did, walk up, grab the wrist, and with the forearm and the force of my body, this little pop here is what drops him down. So I'm not muscling him down. It's because this is the stick here, and the wheel is turning this way. So when I pop him down. So at this point, if I had to do it myself, I'd turn this into another lock and walk him off. But in other situations where you have him here, it's not a permanent situation, so you would have another personnel on the other side help you walk him off. So again, real quick, you just walk up, pop him down, and he's locked down until you need help or other locks where you can walk off with him. So that's a quick, simple lock for you. If you like this lock, you want to keep it with other locks, subscribe, check out this playlist of more locks, or check out this playlist about Wing Chun. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.